20 mind-boggling mysteries science can't explain. Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey into the deepest unknowns, the most baffling enigmas that even our most brilliant minds are still grappling with. From the essence of our own being to the ultimate fate of reality itself, we're about to dive into 20 mysteries that continue to tantalize and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open, because some questions simply don't have answers, at least not yet.
Chapter 1. Consciousness. The ghost in the machine. Think about it. You're experiencing the world right now, feeling the weight of your body, the emotions bubbling up, the thoughts flitting through your mind. But what exactly is that experience? How does a clump of cells, no matter how complex, give rise to the subjective feeling of being you? We can map the brain, analyze its electrical signals, but the leap from firing neurons to the taste of chocolate or the feeling of love remains one of the biggest head-scratchers in science.
Chapter 2. Dark Matter, the Universe's Invisible Hand. Here's something that'll mess with your understanding of reality. The stars and galaxies we see, all that majestic cosmic stuff, it only accounts for about 5% of the universe's total mass and energy. The rest? We call it dark matter and dark energy, mostly because we have no idea what they are. Let's start with dark matter. We know it's out there because of its gravitational effects. Galaxies spin faster than they should based on visible matter alone. Dark energy, the universe's accelerating expansion. If dark matter is the invisible hand holding galaxies together, then dark energy is the invisible force pushing everything apart and at an accelerating rate. This discovery in the late 1990s threw a wrench into our cosmic models. The leading explanation is that dark energy is a property of space itself, a sort of anti-gravity that grows stronger as the universe expands. Chapter 4. Extraterrestrial Life. Are we alone? For millennia, humans have gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we alone in this vast cosmic ocean? In recent decades, the search for extraterrestrial life has gone from the realm of science fiction to a legitimate scientific endeavor. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, many in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and potentially life as we know it.
Chapter 5. Origin of the Universe. The ultimate Genesis story? The Big Bang Theory is our best explanation for how the universe as we know it began. A cosmic explosion from an incredibly hot, dense state some 13.8 billion years ago. But what caused the Big Bang? What existed before the Big Bang? These are questions that push the limits of physics and cosmology. Chapter 6. Nature of time. Illusion or fundamental force? Time. It marches on relentlessly, or so it seems. But what exactly is time? Is it a fundamental property of the universe or just a human construct, a way for our brains to make sense of the constant flow of change?
Chapter 7. Qualia, the Technicolor Mystery of Subjective Experience. Let's dive deeper into the rabbit hole of consciousness with the concept of qualia. Think of the redness of a rose, the taste of a strawberry, the feeling of love or sadness. These are qualia, the subjective, qualitative experiences of consciousness.
Chapter 8. Multiverse Theory. Reality's infinite echo. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this one gets weird. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. Imagine a cosmic bubble bath, with each bubble representing a different universe.
Chapter 9. Gravity, Quantum Level. The Unification Problem. Of the four fundamental forces of nature, gravity is the weakest, yet it's the force that shapes the universe on the largest scales. But here's the thing. At the quantum level, the realm of atoms and subatomic particles, gravity doesn't play by the same rules as the other forces. We have quantum theories to describe electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, but a theory of quantum gravity remains elusive. Imagine the universe as a grand symphony, and the fundamental particles that make up everything we know are not tiny points, but minuscule vibrating strings. That, in essence, is the mind-boggling concept behind string theory. Just like different vibrations of a violin string produce different musical notes, different vibrations of these fundamental strings give rise to the different particles and forces we observe in nature. String theory is incredibly elegant and mathematically beautiful, but it also requires extra spatial dimensions beyond the three we experience, curled up so small we can't perceive them. Black holes are among the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in the universe, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. At the center of a black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them break down. But what really happens inside a black hole? Do they lead to other universes? Do they hold the key to understanding the nature of reality? We can trace the universe's history back to a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. But what caused that initial cosmic explosion in the first place? What existed before the Big Bang? These are questions that push the boundaries of our current understanding of physics and cosmology. Some theories propose a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing vacuum, while others suggest a cyclical model of expanding and contracting universes. There's even the possibility that our universe collided with another universe, triggering the Big Bang.
Chapter 13, Why the Universe Exists, the Ultimate Question. Of all the mysteries we've explored, this one might be the most profound. Why does the universe exist? Why is there something rather than nothing? This question has puzzled philosophers and theologians for centuries. Science has made incredible strides, but the ultimate why remains elusive.
Chapter 14, Exact Mechanism of Memory, the Brain's Elusive Library. Our memories define who we are. They hold our experiences, our relationships, our very sense of self. But how are these memories physically stored and retrieved in the brain? The exact mechanisms of memory remain one of the biggest mysteries in neuroscience. Placebo Effect, the power of belief. The placebo effect is a fascinating phenomenon where a patient's belief in a treatment, even a fake one, can lead to real, measurable improvements in their condition. This highlights the powerful connection between the mind and body, but the exact mechanisms behind the placebo effect remain a mystery. Every night, we enter the bizarre and often illogical world of dreams. But why do we dream? What purpose do these strange nocturnal narratives serve? Despite centuries of speculation and research, the true nature and function of dreams remain a mystery. Some theories suggest that dreams are simply random neural firings, while others propose that they play a role in memory consolidation, emotional processing, or even creative problem-solving.
The concept of free will, the ability to make choices freely, is fundamental to our sense of self and morality. But does free will truly exist? Or is it an illusion, a product of our complex brains? Studies show our brains decide before we're aware, suggesting conscious control might be an afterthought.
Life teems on Earth, from the smallest microbes to the largest whales. But how did life arise from non-living matter? How did the first self-replicating molecules emerge from the primordial soup billions of years ago? This is one of the most fundamental and challenging questions in science. While we don't have a definitive answer, scientists have made progress in understanding the potential pathways from non-life to life. From ghosts and ESP to UFO sightings and psychic abilities, paranormal phenomena have captivated us for centuries. Are these phenomena real, or just products of our imaginations, misinterpretations, or hoaxes? The persistence of these beliefs highlights our desire to believe in something beyond the mundane. Science should explore all possibilities, but approach paranormal claims with skepticism and critical thinking. Just as the universe had a beginning, it too will have an end. But how will it all end? Will it be a bang, a whimper, or something even weirder? The ultimate fate of the universe depends on dark energy. One possibility is the Big Freeze, where the universe cools until all stars burn out.
So there you have it, 20 mind-boggling mysteries that continue to challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. These are the enigmas that keep scientists awake at night, driving them to push the boundaries of knowledge and explore the unknown. While we may not have all the answers yet, the pursuit of these mysteries is what propels scientific discovery and expands our understanding of the cosmos and ourselves. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and who knows, maybe one day we'll unlock the secrets to these mind-boggling mysteries.